Hey guys, I was walking through the shop and I noticed something really interesting on Joseph's bench over here. So let's take a look at what's going on this diesel here. So I saw a big old EGR cooler out here and I was like, oh man. And what brought my attention is this green stuff right here. So this is what's leaking coolant. This car is actually in for a repair. So I'm going to show you a little bit on this 4-cylinder diesel engine here and the things that potentially go wrong at the mileage. How many miles are on this car?
About 80,000 miles.
80,000. So this is when you'll notice here the plastics, not only in a diesel, get carbon buildup on it like this, but some of them give out and crack, have all kinds of leaks. And in a minute I'm going to show you here the cooling system, but look at how much carbon buildup is in this intake port. And those are the intake valves. At 80,000 miles, this thing is totally gummed up. So even if we were to pull the intake manifold like we would traditionally do on a N55 or an N54 to carbon blast or to walnut shell blast, we would not be able to get these materials inside the intake completely out. This part where it goes to the EGR cooler is really carboned up. Joseph's going to show us what we've got. Wow, look at that. That's the throttle body. Oh my God. Holy smokes. It's like robbing the engine of power right there. So instead of the air flowing through this intake and getting to where it needs to, it's carrying oil through the intercooler here, and that oil is caramelizing and sticking to everything in the tube, in the passage. It's only a matter of time until this starts causing all kinds of problems on things like the temp sensor right here. Now if you look, that's what's on the other side of this plastic piece. So what this car is really in for is a water pump repair. We noticed that the car had a coolant leak when we saw the coolant residue there on the EGR cooler. And now I'm going to show you our genuine BMW water pump. This is the new water pump. And this has process and procedure in order to get to it. There's many different steps. One-time use hardware that needs to be replaced. Plastic housing for the thermostat. Our new thermostat. And before you know it, Joseph will have this thing put all back together, cleaned up, purring good. This is what you get. Beamer PhD, the diesel experts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos. And tell us what you want to see.